As a striker, your primary duty is to what? Score goals. In football, when we mention a striker, what comes next is scoring goals. Scoring goals. Giving assists, linking up play, they are all good, but they are all secondary matters to a striker. For as a striker, just be clinical, just score goals. And we saw how Delap scored the goal. The way he put off the defender and then just passed the ball at the back of the net. Yes, let's hope, as I said, he replicate that next season in the Premier, because that is what we want to. We have seen enough about Justin. Yes, Justin cannot score by he had the chemistry. He had no. It's okay. It's okay. Now we want a striker who can score. And so far, what for me I've seen from Liam Delap, so far so good. So far so good. I like his calmness on the ball. He is not rushing. He is not rushing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, the curse is final over. Chelsea have their number 9, wearing the number 9 shirt, playing like a number 9 and looking like a number 9. Liam Delap has put an end to Chelsea number 9 curse. Liam Delap scored his first goal in Chelsea shirt. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club once again, Liam Delap. And this competition so far, Delap scored and assisted. What a wow, what a beginning, what a debut for Liam Delap. Guys, let's hope Delap can send this into next season. Yes, because when Delap is playing, you can see that Chelsea have a number 9. You can see the presence of Chelsea number 9 in our attacking area. His movement, his link up, his direct runs. You can see that Chelsea have the next Drogba. You can see that Liam Delap will become the next Hurricane. I can't wait to see Delap giving me 30 goals next season. This game, I learned a lot from Liam Delap. Liam Delap changed my life. See, guys, this our Chelsea team. We don't need anything from any striker. We don't just need anything. See, what we need is goals. As a striker playing for Chelsea currently, just score goals. Just be clinical. We have seen enough as Chelsea fans over the past years. Timo Werner, he is not scoring, but he can assist. He can link up with other players. Justin is not scoring, but he can see. We are sick and tired of our strikers now tend to attacking midfielders, giving assists. No. As a striker, your primary duty is to what? Score goals. In football, when we mention a striker, what comes next is scoring goals. Scoring goals. Giving assists, linking up play, they are all good, but they are all secondary matters to a striker. For as a striker, just be clinical, just score goals. And we saw how Delap scored the goal. The way he put off the defender and then just passed the ball at the back of the net. Yes, let's hope, as I said, he replicate that next season in the Premier, because that is what we want to. We have seen enough about Justin. Yes, Justin cannot score by he had the chemistry. He had no. It's okay. It's okay. Now we want a striker who can score. And so far, what for me I've seen from Liam Delap, so far so good. So far so good. I like his calmness on the ball. He is not rushing. He is not rushing. And this just to send a message to Nicola Jackson that he should wake up. Jackson should stand up. Liam Delap has arrived. And Premier League strikers should be ready. Delap has arrived. Guys, so far so good for Liam Delap in this competition. And let's come to the next player, Tosin Adarabioyo. But before I go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to Tosin. In fact, since the season Chelsea signed Tosin, I think last season from Fulham, since at that time up to now, any time that I'm seeing Tosin, I am seeing him as a leader. I am seeing Tosin as I even see Tosin as a leader more than Reece James. So when Tosin was coming to Chelsea, I was expecting a lot from him because his experience in the Premier League, because him being in Fulham show a lot of good defending. Yes, so I was expecting a lot. So Tosin could not get into Chelsea first 11 consistency. I was surprised. I'm telling you. But now it looks like we are seeing the maturity Tosin. Now it looks like we are seeing the leadership we want in Tosin. He is the oldest player. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, He's older than Reece James in our squad. So a lot is expecting from Tosin. Yes, even when Tosin got the captain back, you could saw that it was befitting him. You could saw that Tosin can really be a captain for Chelsea one day, someday. So see, this game, Tosin play very well. And that is why I keep on saying, Enzo Maresca, it look like his village goals are following him. The last game, Tosin showed that excellent performance. The first game against LAFC. So I was thinking the next game against Flamingo, Enzo Maresca will start Tosin, but he benched him and started Chaluba. Football is about chemistry. It's about form. If a player is on form, put him, give him the playing time. But if a player is on form and you put him on the bench, Charlie, the form will go off. Form is temporal. So this game, Tosin play. See, he scored the first goal, opened the net opener, the bottle opener, and at the end of the game, Tosin even won Spirit of the match. Well done from Tosin. And the next player who also performed very well is the young talented Achampong. In fact, if not because Tosin scored in this game, for me, I would have given my man of the match or superior of the match to Achampong. Achampong is underrated. See, Achampong is talented. Achampong, when given the playing time, he's going to become one of the best players in the Premier League. One of the best player ever promoted from the academy. Look at the display from Achampong in this game. He was everywhere. And one thing I like about Achampong, his progression of the ball into the midfield. Yes, when Achampong get the ball, he doesn't pass sideways or pass back or no. Achampong make sure that he attack with the ball, he run with the ball, he move with the ball. Guys, let's hope injury stays away from these our young talented players, because what I saw from Achampong, Charlie, if given the time, he will be a good backup for Reece James. He will be a super sub for Reece James, and luckily he can play as a center back and he can play as a right back. Yes, versatility. And let's come to another talented player who show up in this game. Wow, what a shot, what a power from the young lad. Let's off. Yes, that is the journey. It is all part of the journey. Yes. What a power from the young George. When George shoot the ball, I thought I was watching Prime Ronaldo. Guys, I can't believe this. The keeper tried to save it, but unfortunately, that is George shot. And their keeper, Charlie, I think the keeper, it looked like he was playing for Chelsea. He was playing against, how on earth? Look at the goal that Liam Delap scored. He was just standing looking at it. Or it is because Liam Delap. And even George one, he's supposed to, as a goalkeeper, if you see the direction, you must stop the shot. Goalkeepers, their trainers don't accept that. As a goalkeeper, the rule is that when you see the direction of the shot, you must stop it. That is why in penalty, if they take goalkeeper away, it's not a crime, it's not a shame. But in penalty as a goalkeeper, and you see the direction, you must stop the shot. So their goalkeeper, I don't know why. It seemed he wasn't ready, or they forced him to be on the goal post. So George also, he played well, very well in this game. He came on as a substitute and gave that marvelous super performance. All these guys, as I said, when given the playing time, they are going to prove it. They are going to become good. Just that we don't know our Enzo Maresca. But Enzo Maresca, dear Charlie, he is unpredictable. He can trust you today and tomorrow, you will be on the bench. So guys, this to our young talented academy players, all of them play very well in this game. And the next player, let's talk about Christopher Nkunku. In fact, Nkunku started this game as a senior player, a winger or number 10. Yes, number 10. Yes, him and Enzo, they were in that position. And for me, I was thinking Nkunku will also score in this game. But during my preview about this game, I said I want to see Liam Delap scoring. Yes, and Madueke also having a good performance. And Liam Delap scored. Madueke also, he wasn't bad. Yes. So far, I observed something. Anytime that I wear our black jersey, this season our third jersey, and do a preview for any game, at the end Chelsea win. Yes, I am observing that jersey. I will start wearing that, especially next season if Chelsea is going to play against Arsenal. I'll wear that black jersey. Yes, anytime that I wear it, Chelsea win. Anytime that I wear it, Chelsea. Now I can see the miracle. So Delap scored in this game. Madueke also didn't have a bad game. Yes, and Nkunku, as I was saying, I was expecting a lot from Nkunku, yes, to show that seniority, to show that one given the chance next season, yes, he will prove it again. He will show the Nkunku we used to know, but unfortunately, it wasn't bad and it wasn't good. He had one chance. Instead of him to shoot, he wanted to dribble past the defenders. Yes, and the penalty, guys, I don't know. Is it the referee who took it at first place as a penalty or VAR? Because Nkunku was about to play the penalty, then VAR called the referee. Because it looked like initial VAR called for the penalty. So when Nkunku was on the ball to shoot the ball, I saw on the screen that VAR is checking what. I don't know. Was it a penalty, guys? Let me hear from you in the comment section. And Nkunku, as I was saying, he wasn't bad. Yes, he wasn't good. But Charlie, I can see what Chelsea is trying to do, guys. Chelsea don't want, yes, to make Nkunku look like a flop. So they are giving him the playing time so that if any team come, they can sell him for a higher fee. That is why they are giving him playing time. Because I don't see Nkunku future in Chelsea anymore. I don't see. No. So if Nkunku be getting the playing time, if any team comes, so that they can sell him at a higher fee because he's playing regular. But if Chelsea put him on the bench, teams will come with lower fee, especially Italian teams. So, guys, that is for Nkunku. And let's come to Santos. For Santos in this game, almost all Chelsea fans, all of us was yearning, yes, saying that Enzo Maresca should give him the playing time. Enzo Maresca, yes, should start him in this game. And when the game was about to start, Enzo Maresca said Santos hasn't understand his style of play. Yes, so that is why he's not starting Santos. That not only Santos, all the new players who joined this season, they are still growing to understand his tactics. And yes, when Santos came on, especially the first 4 to 3 minutes, we saw it. Yes, football is really about tactics. Yes, when Santos came on, you could see him being different from the style of play. Yes, he didn't adapt to Enzo Maresca's style of play quickly, but as time goes, he grew into that game. So that is why we are saying a player cannot pick form on the bench. If you want a player to pick form or playing well, you have to be giving him playing time. Yes, not put him on the bench. So as time goes, Santos will get better. We all knew Santos. Santos is aggressive player, and when you see Enzo Maresca style of play, tactics, slow football. So as an aggressive player coming to play a manager whose tactics is slow, you have to, yes, adapt to it. Take it game by game, time by time. So not just to make this video long, in this game everybody play very well. Yes, and Esperence, when the game started, they started with low blocks. They were trying to frustrate Chelsea. Yes, so that in the second half, maybe if they keep on 0-0 in the second half, 70th to 80th minute, they can come out as the Premier League teams are doing. But unfortunately, Enzo said, no, I will give the assist and give the assist and give the assist. Yes, Chelsea scored all the 3 goals in extra time. The first 2 goals, first half in extra time. The last goal, George, second half in the extra time, the 7 minutes. So well done from our guys. But guys, another video is coming about after the game what Enzo Maresca said, and they interview Liam Delap about the number 9 case. He said something. That video is coming. We'll come and discuss about it. And also the knockout stage, Chelsea is going to play against Benfica. But if it happened that we top the group, we were going to play against Bayern Munich. Yes, or PSG. No, PSG. No, yes, we were going to play against Bayern Munich, and after that, we then play against Botafogo or Palmeiras. Yes, the 2 teams who qualify to the next stage. Yes, so you see, sometimes in life, if God said, "Guy, this thing is not your thing," yes, just understand and move on. Yes, you don't know what God see. Far. By the way, I still maintain that I want PSG. PSG is trying to dodge us in this competition, but they can't dodge. They can't dodge. No. You can run, PSG, but you can't hide. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game. And as I said, another video is coming. And yesterday, I gave you a video about latest about Mohamed Kudus coming to Chelsea and Jimmy Gittins also coming to Chelsea. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.